Did you know that a simple vegetable can naturally protect your heart? Red cabbage is much more than just a colorful and attractive vegetable. Recent studies show that it contains bioactive compounds capable of fighting free radicals, preventing cell damage and premature aging. In addition, this vegetable has powerful antioxidants such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, which help protect the heart, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regular consumption of red cabbage can improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the immune system, making it an essential ally in the daily diet. Another important benefit is the presence of soluble and insoluble fibers, which help control cholesterol levels, promoting a healthier heart. Beyond its nutritional properties, red cabbage is extremely versatile in cooking, being suitable for raw salads, soups, or dishes, providing both flavor and health benefits in every meal. Studies indicate that the combination of antioxidants and fibers in red cabbage helps reduce oxidative stress, which is directly linked to chronic diseases, aging, and even memory problems. Researchers also emphasize that regular red cabbage consumption is associated with lower blood pressure due to its potassium content, a mineral essential for proper cardiovascular function. For those seeking healthy weight loss, red cabbage is ideal because it is low in calories and promotes a sense of fullness. Its anti-inflammatory properties also aid in muscle recovery after physical exercise, making it a complete food for overall health. Simple preparation methods maintain most nutrients intact, so fresh salads and natural juices are excellent options. Some studies suggest that red cabbage consumption may also help prevent certain types of cancer due to glucosinolates, compounds that assist in toxin elimination. Incorporating red cabbage into the diet is a tasty and effective way to protect heart health, fight free radicals, and improve quality of life. It is impressive how such a common vegetable can have such profound effects on health, highlighting the importance of conscious food choices. Try adding red cabbage to your meals and notice the benefits within the first few days. It's not just about flavor, but investing in longevity and well-being. Diversify your recipes and create nutritious dishes that combine pleasure and health, ensuring your heart and body function optimally every day.
The channel's main mission is to transform solidarity into meaningful action. Every contribution received is directed toward supporting people in vulnerable situations, providing essential help in areas such as food, clothing, medicine, and, whenever possible, opportunities for reintegration into the job market. Sadly, many families face daily struggles to meet their most basic needs, and this is where the channel seeks to make a difference. Donations, whether large or small, are vital to keeping this movement alive. With transparency as a guiding principle, all collected funds are dedicated to initiatives that improve the quality of life for those who need it most. Beyond material support, the channel also promotes awareness campaigns, encouraging a culture of empathy and cooperation among its followers. We believe that every act of generosity can create a chain of hope, positively impacting not only those who receive, but also those who give. By contributing, you become part of a supportive network that transcends barriers and proves that together we can build a fairer and more compassionate future. Your collaboration is more than a donation. It is an act of love and transformation.